County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery
Dude,
County in southeastern
I just
Pennsylvania,
started a live stream and it's
County
happening.
in
Oh my
southeastern
god.
Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in
what
southeastern
the
Pennsylvania
heck?
until 6:15 p.m.
Hold up.
At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Zionsville to near Gilbertsville to near New Morgan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing wind damage across portions of Berks County.
Oh my god.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, public. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Pottstown, Lansdale, Quickhairtown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Souderton, Bedminster, Birdsboro,
Dude, we got an FBR after we
Warrensburg,
started a live
Tinicum,
stream.
Trapp, Hatfield, East Greenville, Dublin,
What the
Schwenksville, and
hell?
Frenchtown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 304. Northeast extension between mile markers 27
God
and 48.
damn.
Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
Yep.
Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Dude, what the heck?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45
Like, literally,
p.m. for
I don't
northwestern
understand what's
Hunterdon,
happening.
southwestern Warren, southeastern Lehigh, northwestern Bucks, and southeastern Northampton counties. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lehigh University, or near Allentown.
Jesus Lord.